Welcome to World Tour. Today, we're diving into the powerhouse of global manufacturing, China. From groundbreaking technology to affordable products, China's influence stretches across the globe, with a transformative partnership unfolding in Africa. Let's explore how China is reshaping the world's manufacturing landscape and why Africa is playing a central role in this incredible shift. Let's begin with why China stands as the undisputed leader of global manufacturing. China produces a staggering percentage of the world's manufacturing output, an enormous share that underpins their status as the world's factory. The country's immense workforce is one of its greatest assets, enabling the production of goods on an unprecedented scale and at remarkably low costs. State-of-the-art infrastructure, including an advanced network of railways, ports, and highways, facilitates the swift movement of products around the world. Government subsidies have bolstered the manufacturing sector, fostering rapid expansion and allowing Chinese industries to thrive. Commitment to cutting-edge technology and relentless innovation keep China's manufacturing processes ahead of the curve, constantly evolving. A robust education system ensures a steady stream of skilled workers, vital for maintaining the high-tech demands of modern manufacturing. China also controls a significant portion of the world's rare earth metals, critical for producing electronics and many other essential goods, giving them a unique edge in global production. By manufacturing on such a massive scale, China can produce and sell goods at competitive prices, making it a leader in affordable products across the globe. Now, let's zoom in on why China's presence in Africa is so crucial to this manufacturing revolution. China has made substantial investments in Africa's infrastructure, helping to build critical ports, railways, and roads that fuel the region's economic growth. Thousands of jobs have been created as Chinese companies set up operations across the continent, strengthening local economies and empowering communities. Low-cost manufacturing facilities in Africa are enabling Chinese companies to serve both local markets and the global stage, offering competitive products to a wide range of consumers. Through the Belt and Road Initiative, China has established vital connections with African nations, boosting trade, manufacturing, and mutual growth. Many African countries now look to China as a model for rapid economic development and industrialization, inspired by China's impressive transformation. Chinese companies are also investing in training African workers, imparting valuable technical skills and enhancing local expertise. China's demand for Africa's raw materials, including minerals and agricultural products, is fueling the production cycle on both sides, creating a mutually beneficial trade dynamic. Manufacturing goods directly in Africa allows Chinese companies to bypass international trade tariffs, enhancing efficiency and lowering costs. Let's take a look at the innovations and technological advancements that are driving China's manufacturing dominance. China has pioneered the use of automation and robotics, making its factories among the most efficient in the world, setting a new standard in manufacturing productivity. Through the development of artificial intelligence and machine learning, China has significantly increased manufacturing efficiency, reducing costs and boosting output. China is a global leader in green energy technology, manufacturing everything from solar panels to electric vehicles, contributing to a cleaner, more sustainable future. Chinese companies are expanding their research and development networks worldwide, including in Africa, pushing the boundaries of innovation and bringing cutting-edge technologies to new markets. China's massive manufacturing base allows it to rapidly respond to global market shifts, adjusting production levels to meet seasonal and trend-based demands. China's well-established digital ecosystem, including apps like WeChat and Alipay, streamlines trade and transactions, making global commerce smoother and more accessible. Large-scale manufacturing operations also give Chinese companies the freedom to experiment with bold new product designs, quickly testing ideas in global markets. China's strategic investments in Africa are building a foundation for lasting growth and collaborative success. Through partnerships and loans, China has established more than 20 industrial zones across Africa, strengthening manufacturing capabilities on the continent. Chinese companies have established a presence in African mines, securing raw materials essential for manufacturing everything from electronics to automobiles. Producing goods in Africa not only helps Chinese companies save on shipping costs but also stimulates local economic growth by creating jobs and increasing production capacity. Joint ventures between Chinese and African firms are fostering collaboration, providing benefits for both parties and creating a more interconnected global manufacturing ecosystem. By setting up manufacturing operations in Africa, Chinese companies can avoid some of the stricter environmental regulations found at home, streamlining production processes. Chinese banks have also played a critical role by financing manufacturing projects, making it easier for African nations to establish their own production bases. China's commitment to technology transfers has brought expertise to Africa in fields like agriculture, healthcare, and renewable energy, spurring innovation across multiple industries. China's global supply chain is one of the most interconnected networks in the world, and Africa is becoming an increasingly vital part of this system. China's vast global network allows for efficient sourcing of raw materials, enabling seamless production and export to markets around the world. Through strategic partnerships in Africa, China has extended its supply chain across continents, connecting the manufacturing hubs of both regions. With shipping routes from African ports to global markets growing rapidly, China's infrastructure investments are making international logistics more affordable and efficient than ever. Chinese shipping companies, including COSCO, are providing affordable international logistics, making it easier for African-produced goods to reach the world. While challenges exist in Africa, China has managed to turn many of these obstacles into unique opportunities. Low-cost manufacturing in Africa gives Chinese companies a competitive edge, keeping product prices lower in international markets. By adapting their technology to suit local African needs, Chinese companies ensure that their products remain relevant and in demand across the continent. China is also helping to build Africa's digital infrastructure, providing the backbone for modern manufacturing and enhancing overall productivity. Collaborating closely with African governments, China has helped establish favorable manufacturing policies, fostering a strong and stable business environment. Let's explore the broader social and economic impacts of China's manufacturing expansion in Africa. Job creation has been a key benefit, providing steady employment opportunities and helping many communities lift themselves out of poverty. Chinese investments are elevating technical skills and knowledge among African workers, preparing the next generation for a future in high-tech industries. Beyond manufacturing, Chinese companies are building infrastructure in local communities, including schools, hospitals, and recreational facilities. In some regions, the growth of manufacturing hubs has sparked local entrepreneurship, inspiring a wave of African-owned businesses. Manufacturing expansion has reduced Africa's reliance on imports, encouraging greater self-sufficiency and boosting local production. Chinese companies have prioritized low-cost products, making everyday goods more affordable for families across the continent. China's involvement has attracted additional international investment to Africa, reinforcing the continent's economic importance in the global market. Many Chinese factories support sustainability efforts, helping African countries meet green energy targets and environmental goals. Long-term partnerships between China and African governments are fostering trust and cooperation, ensuring that the benefits of manufacturing growth are shared across the region. Through these collaborations, both regions are fostering cultural exchange and deepening mutual understanding, setting the stage for a more interconnected world. As we've seen, China's manufacturing dominance is not just about low costs or massive factories, it's about strategic investments, technological innovation, and international collaboration, especially with Africa. Together, China and Africa are setting a new benchmark for global manufacturing, reshaping the future of the industry, and creating opportunities for generations to come. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this deep dive into China's manufacturing influence, especially in Africa, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fascinating insights from around the world. Until next time, stay safe.